My name is Stephen Turner at Epilepsy Matters. I want to speak to you today about something personal. It's you being an epileptic. I'd like to speak to you about not being ashamed of it, discussing it with those people that are the closest to you, your family, your friends, especially your attending physician. No matter what your medical condition may be, you need to discuss your condition with those around you. I tried for years to hide this, my epilepsy, from friends. In general, only my family members knew that I was an epileptic, and of course my neurologist. It is important, especially to discuss fully with your doctor, and that is a topic that we will cover next week. It is important that you are not ashamed of your epilepsy. It is important that you're not ashamed of any medical condition you may have. If you are ashamed of that condition, then you cannot discuss fully the important topics of that discussion. Discussing it, the more often you discuss it, the less ashamed you will become of it. I tried for years to hide this, like I said, and that was only detrimental to me. If you're not discussing it with your friends, if you're not discussing it with your spouse, and you're only discussing it with your doctor, then you need to make sure that they are informed. Okay? It's important to discuss your medication with your family, with your friends, fully with your doctor. It is important that you interact about your medication, about your condition with medical personnel. There are literally hundreds of issues that can be discussed about epilepsy. Maybe some apply to you, maybe they don't. This website hopefully will be beneficial to people with epilepsy, but it is my hope that it will be beneficial to many others. Others with neurological issues that are similar to epilepsy, or medical issues that that may not be neurological. If you have PTSD, if you have anxiety, certainly maybe you will hear something on this video that can relate to you, or cancer patients, or any other patient. Next week we are going to discuss doctor interaction, because that is the most important thing for patients, is to be able to interact fully with your doctor, to communicate with your doctor no matter what your medical issue. They can only help you if you help them by discussing it fully. Doctors are practicing medicine. It is important that you help them practice medicine by discussing your issue fully. There are so many topics that I need to discuss about epilepsy that I can't do it all in one video. But I will try to discuss as many as I can. My name is Stephen Turner at Epilepsy Matters, and I will talk to you next week.